Look at this guy, fully kitted out. Look at you. Looking on the Capitano.
Mate, I've got the Capitano's. How you going, mate?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How is it?
Smooth, man.
Goes good.
Really smooth, really quiet. Yeah, it's fucking pretty good, man.
That's Lochie there. He was in our last video on the adventure ride. He's now joined Team Yamaha and he's on a Tenere 700. He just got it. This is his first ride out on it. And you can see he's pretty comfortable. He's going at a really good pace here. We're just cruising along some forest roads. I think he's going to be super happy with this bike compared to the DR650. These things are seriously chalk and cheese.
Okay, we're just taking a slight detour.
Yep, slight detour. What adventure? How can you have an adventure without a detour, seriously? But we're on this track called No Help Track, and it's a pretty technical little thing here. Like a lot of four-wheel drives, I think, come up. They've chewed out quite a few sections, so we're sort of detouring a lot of the bog holes. But watch on, and you'll see what happens.
Go on, mate, get it dirty. Get it dirty, Lochie.
Centre stand's got to go.
I saw that, it dragged a bit, didn't it?
Yeah, and I caught my leg on it too.
Oh shit.
Yeah, on the left side.
Yeah. No good for this sort of, this is a nice track, man.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks boggy. Right. Lochie. He's running hot though, this thing. Whee! I'm going to say yes. What?
Try and get up there.
Oh, go up here.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Don't go straight.
Oh yeah, and then there's
Right in the middle, I reckon.
a log there. Oh, the rut will take you up.
Yeah.
Oh! What was that?
Alright.
Whew. I bashed into something.
Hey.
I bashed into something.
What'd you hit?
Something on the bottom. I think it was that.
Brake pedal?
Oh, yep. Yep. Yeah, you're probably right, go that way. Do you have pliers?
I don't have any tools.
Oh, me neither.
Can we use it?
I don't understand, I had 30 pounds in there when I left. Must have hit something.
As I said, I heard it while you were just sitting there. I don't know.
Maybe it's... Nah, it's flat, look at it.
It's flat, yeah, but I can't find it. I can't see anything.
Don't worry about it, let's just try and get it back to that road. We've got a flat. We've made a mistake.
Land.
Yes, please. That's it. Okay. Sug the left, huh?
Yeah.
Oh boy, she's not good to ride with a flat. So we're down some no help track into Lochie. I can't hear Lochie, I haven't really gone that far ahead. Lochie! Loch!